Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel post myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, with this video I'm going to start Angular material, Angular 13 plus JSON server, Angular CRUD operations, or I can say working with APIs, Angular with JSON server. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular updates. So guys, here we go. So guys, in this video, I will tell you what we need to make all this work, like code operation, Angular plus Angular material plus JSON server. First, I will show you all the things. See guys, my JSON server. Okay, JSON data API is working fine. And also Angular 13 plus Angular material is working fine. We need this. And here is my Angular 13 plus Angular material. See guys, works well. Also JSON server. Here is my default db.json file, which is running perfectly. See guys. Guys, these are the two things we need. JSON server and Angular 13. So guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link for these basic setups. After it, we will go to the main functionality like CRUD operations, Angular plus Angular material plus JSON server in next video. And guys, in this series, I will use so many things like material data tables, material dialogues, material icons, and so many things, all in this series. So, guys, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion, or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details in this video description. Friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.